gonna find out.
What's up, everybody? Today we're working on a special project. This is a Lamborghini Huracan LP610, and the rear marker light that's built into the bumper stopped working. So we don't normally do repair type of work, but this is a really good customer that asked us to do this since we rip cars apart for vinyl wraps and paint protection film wraps and things like that. So what we're going to do is remove the rear wheel of the car. I believe if we do that and remove the inner fender well, that we should be able to access this light, which is just a small marker light. We bought a replacement on eBay. It was $100, and we're going to get that fixed up.
All right, so what we're gonna do is jack up this Lambo. First, I'm gonna use a microfiber towel, put it on the jack, find the jack point underneath the car. I don't want to scrape any part of this because this thing is immaculate, so we're gonna use a little towel in between to keep the jack from scraping it. Climb down underneath it. Get that rag on there just to keep that protected. Always keep an eye on where everything is. Have here are gargantuan T-bits. I don't know what size it is, but we're gonna find out. It's a T80. All right, now we broke loose all the lug nuts. What? We broke loose all the lug nuts. Pick her up some more. Check, make sure everything is still in place. There it is. All right, so we got the wheel off. We're gonna wheel it over here. Right there, out of the way where it can't hurt anybody. Inside of the wheel well here, we have a whole bunch of Torx bits, bolts to take out to get this inner fender well out, just to get this little guy here. All right, here it comes. All right, so there are two little bolts here and here that hold it in. Take those out. The old in here. Already tinted. Well, we just tested it, turned the headlights on.
Can't hear you. All right.
Well, we just tested it, turned the headlights on. She illuminated, looking good as ever, and hopefully another happy customer.